Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a vehicle made by VAG Group, this is Volkswagen Group, and it will include Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda guys, all these vehicles. If you have any of these vehicles and you have airbag light on and you have a code such as P01589, stay with us guys and we'll explain what needs to be done to fix that code and how to reset your airbag light. Now, quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. For example, on this Tiguan here alone we'll probably have close to 300 to 400 repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. All the tools guys, parts, scanners, diagnostic tools that we use, all that will be shared in the description of the video below. So let me get the camera and I'm going to show you now guys, okay, what causes that light. We'll explain how the airbag light is on all the time. Okay, no matter how long you drive the vehicle, once you start it guys, that airbag light just stays on. Okay, so we're in now and let me show you now. Okay, if I start the car, check it out what's going to happen. Airbag light guys stays on. Okay, right there. Airbag light just stays on guys, all the time. Okay, no matter what you do, let me turn the light off, you still see that airbag light being on all the time. So, what I'm going to do now, I'll turn the car off guys. And next, okay, we are going to plug our OBD scanner to the OBD port of the vehicle. Okay, I'm going to explain more about that scanner in a little bit. They have two different versions. One is with Bluetooth, wireless, one is with the cable like ours. And I want to start from the very beginning guys, okay, very beginning. And I want to introduce you to that scanner. If you're guys looking for a scanner that can pay itself off in just a couple time uses, this is guys the device right here. It's amazing, it works pretty much on any car. Check out, it even supports Porsche. We used it on Porsche Cayenne multiple times, BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen. Okay, it works on all these vehicles guys. Check it out, even on GTR you can fix Ferraris with that thing. So this is dealer level equipment without the programming guys. Amazing too. All I have to do, click auto detect, it's going to read the VIN number and it will tell us which vehicle we have. And as you can see, airbag light still stays on all the time. So now it asks us to confirm the VIN number and then we need to select the vehicle. In our case it's Tiguan from 2008 okay to 2017 generation, and then the second generation we have a 2014 Tiguan, so we go in that category here. We select control unit and after that we select airbag. After airbag we'll select guys trouble codes, and let me show you guys, okay, what is the code. It says 01589 side curtain airbag igniter guys, or passenger side N252 upper limit exceeded. So let me go ahead, turn the car off guys, and we'll explain what we need to do. Now when you guys diagnose airbag system, when you start working on your airbag system, extremely important that you disconnect your car battery for at least 1 hour before you start working on it. That way you will minimize the chance of something to blow up in your face to kill you guys, so you have to be extremely careful. If you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't guys, consider this entertaining video and not a how-to video. So let's go ahead, disconnect the car battery, and after an hour guys, after we wait for an hour, we'll continue. So now guys, we have the headliner removed out of this vehicle. If you want to see how to remove a headliner, we will have the video on the channel. Now this is guys the side airbag on the passenger side. Okay, it's all the way from the back, goes all the way to the front, very long curtain airbag guys. And things that can cause that code to be on, okay, let me explain quick guys. Okay, it will be either a blown airbag, okay, blown airbag is one of them guys. This one will be the airbag if it's blown, if the car was in an accident, or the airbag was replaced after it was blown and the wires were melted or broken somewhere. That could happen. Damaged connector, or just sometimes corrosion buildup guys as well. So you have to disconnect it, reconnect it guys, clean everything really good, make sure everything's great, and install it again. And if that doesn't take care of the problem, check the connectors, make sure everything's good, and you may need to remove the certain certain airbag, that curtain airbag guys, so you can get rid of that code. Now we'll go ahead and see if that will take care of our problem and how to reset the airbag light on now. So Now we reconnected the car battery, guys. Next, what we're going to do, if I start the car now, airbag light will stay on. Let me show you now. Okay, airbag light will just stay on, guys. Okay, even though everything's fixed. So what we're going to do, we'll go ahead, turn the ignition on. Okay, now we will go back. How the code said active here. Now if there is no problem, it should say, guys, inactive, passive, something like that. Let me check now. I don't remember the correct word for that. It's been a while since we worked on one, but it says, yeah, passive, sporadic. So we click clear DTC, which means that there is no problem there anymore. No fault codes detected now. Airbag light is off. And if I start the car, the airbag light will not be on there anymore at all. So that definitely, guys, takes care of that problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.